Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make something like a G house or bass house or slow slap house. I don't know how to call this genre, but let me show you what I made, and I'll explain how I made it. Of course, you can check my video, the full tutorial, how I made it from scratch. I'll leave the link in the description. Maybe you want to know, but I speak other languages, you know. So let me show you what we have, and I'll explain everything. Sounds something like that. We have a almost similar part like here. Let me show you what we have here. We have a rhythm section. We have a bass drum, clap, and I decided to make something like that. We have this drum fill, and I decided to make something like a rhythm section. Something like that. I really like how it sounds. We have a closed head. Also, we have a lot of fixes. Something like that. I showed how I made it in the video. Check the link in the description. The bass line, I used a lot of layers here. As you see, we have a Nexus, Serum, and one shots. Yeah, something like that. So we have the sub bass. It's something like 808 synth. We have here something like a mixture of different basses. It's something like a question answer feature because we have a lot of different basses. So we have these one shots. Also I use this bass, something like we have one semitone up here, because as you know we have something like so the melody of the bass sounds like that, because we have just these two notes in the bass, and we have here something like brass. Also I use 3 different samples to make it. Here we have a melody. I decided to use this track by MVDNES and set OVOD called RATATATA. I heard this melody, but I decided to make improvement of this melody. We have 2 layers, by the way. So something like that. We have these vocals. I decided to make a pitch minus 5 semitones to make it lower. So we have also different affixes here. As you see, we have a lot of affixes. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers to make this fill. Actually, it's really crazy. So we have something like that. Yeah, and I showed it, how I made it in my video. Also check out the link in the description. So we have something like a trap rhythm here. It sounds really warm here, so let me show you. I made something like a loop, just loop here. Nothing special. Also we have this loop, but this one I made. I use this kick, but I decided to use this plugin called Crush. By the way, it's free. You can download it without any payment. So I decided to increase drive crush here, to make this kick something like with these distortion effects. It sounds more clean without this effect, but more dirty with this effect. And also for the bass, I decided to use this 808 bass, so without it sound more calm. But I decided to use this preset called Beat Crush, and you see all the parameters on your screen. And that's why it sounds more warm and massive. So I really like how it sounds. So here I decided to use just snares, and I use this siren. Yeah, something like that. So what do you think, guys, about this track? Let me know in the comments. And this project I upload to my Patreon and Boosty, the same content there. You can check this project. Maybe you want to make something like that. Maybe you have an idea, but don't have enough inspiration to make it. Maybe this project will help you. Also feel free to check link in the description. Something like that. So Menchu was here. Bye bye, guys.